you thought that Zwelakhe and Bahumi are getting married this upcoming week, or khona amalobola azothunyelwa kwaMtawung from kwaMkhize, well, khohlwa njengesidumo esikoleni, because none of that is happening this upcoming week. Kubuya sengathi there is more drama esazokwenzeka futhi ezovimba more ukuthi lezi ngane lezo zoyi-2 zingashadi, which is why on this video, guys, I decided to share with you some of the things that you can expect, or some of the dramatic scenes that you can expect from KwaBaba, starting from Monday the 22nd to Friday the 26th of June 2026. And if you're interested in this video, then do stay tuned. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let us quickly get into it. So bengathi ngibuka ama-teasers waBaba, and by the look of things akho umshado ozokwenzeka this week, because ngapha uMambukazi nama-secrets wakhe angapheli. On the other hand, uDumisani uGcwabi naye ngalana he's making sure that lo mshado awenzeki, or lamalobolo la awenzeki. Bese zoba manje wosingaye Bahumi's parents, they are putting their feet down, but ayenzeki yonke lo nto leyo. You are not marrying this Mkhize boy, and this is caused by the fact that abazali baBahumi saw how hurt uBahumi was ngalesikhathi lesi engenzeka ngamalobolo. So when they look at uZwelakhe babona iy'nkinga nje zodwa, nanokuthi umndeni wabo uDumisani ke naye akasibekanga eceleni, wenza sure ukuthi sabotages everything that has to do with uZwelakhe. Now recently ubanjiwe benomhlaba ukuthi bantshontsha laphana from the company. Angazi ukuthi what is it that they are doing, leya corruption leyana bayenzayo, getting money from the side, like hustling the company. So uyabona ukuthi ngeke umhlaba uzomfaka enkingeni la, so he's busy punishing umhlaba for all of that. Like we have seen on the teasers, ehlaba umhlaba ngempama enzima ukubona really not happy with all of this. And into emnandi ngale nto lena ukuthi brother of the family is supporting uZwelakhe, so ngiyacabanga ukuthi yena ngamsiza uZwelakhe in a way. Bese kuzoba uMambukazi nama-secrets wakhe angapheli. Now this week futhi kubuya sengathi uzolokhu ejama nje ukukhava wonke ama-secrets wakhe, and all of that happening delays ukuthi kuze kulotshole le ngane le uBahumi. And mina ngazi ngani guys, but by the look of things kuyoze kuphele le season le kungashada lokhu ukuthi why postponed, afika uGcwabi afika sabotage kuthiwa kuyahlehla, feel futhi qhamuka secrets entsha noma qhamuka something new that is gonna need a cow to be slaughtered or a goat to be slaughtered. Hey guys, yakhathaza ngempela indaba kwaBaba, but then let's hope that they will eventually get married. Asazi. So comment down in the comment section bafethu ngitshela ukuthi nanicabangani about these teasers. I know that we've already watched them, so comment then ngitshela ukuthi what do you think about them. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, even here on TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video, so thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.